Hello, my name is Jason Jenkins, and I'm going to illustrate or demonstrate use of Nmap using TryHackMe.com. Nmap is a networking tool used to scan networks. It's called active reconnaissance. I'm going to go ahead and start this machine up so we can get going. And the attack box is an operating system that is literally loaded in a virtual machine environment. I'm going to use Kali Linux because that is what I have based a lot of my research on this semester. So we'll wait for the box to spin up, and as you can see, I've already completed a lot of these challenges, but the great thing is I want to be able to show use of the website, understanding why we use these things. Very important. So there's a little write-up, of course, one of the best things. First line, when it comes to hacking, knowledge is power. The more knowledge you have about a target or system or network, the more options that are available. This makes it imperative the proper enumeration is carried out before any exploitation attempts are made. A lot of big words there. What they're really saying is what you want to do is research, research, research. The more research you do, the more knowledge that you gain from that research, the more power you have when it comes to exploiting a target. But before you exploit a target, you need to find out what's out there and how it's out there. We do that by probing networks. Nmap is perfect for this. As it spins up, the machine is waiting for it to load. The diagrams that you see coincide with the explanation on how to use Nmap. And then we've got questions that you answer that are related to what you just read. What networking constructs are used to direct traffic to the right application on a server? Ports. How many available ports are there on any network-enabled computer? 65,535. How many of these ports are considered well-known ports, the standard numbers that are used? And that is the answer to that is 1,024. So now that we have our OS is open, I'm just going to move this here, open up the terminal. Boom. Okay, so what is our target IP address? And our target is right here. It's listed. So boom, I can copy that to the clipboard, or I could just go in here and say Nmap. And since we don't really know what switches we're going to use, they haven't talked about switches, so I'm just going to run an Nmap scan with this number. So we do Nmap 10.10.205.80 and then hit enter, and it's going to run the scan. These scans do take some time, especially if there's nothing mentioned, because it's going to go piece by piece looking for specific information to find on that network. This one didn't take that long. We see right now we've got on this specific network, on this target, there are how many ports open? And we've got an answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, just by running Nmap, we've discovered that not only are there 5 open ports on this network alone, we can tell what services they're using, which is very important, FTP, port 21, and it tells you what number port is being used as well. So these are all the open ports. Some of these services, some of these ports running, or some of these services running on these ports may be exploitable. So the best thing that you could do is find out exactly what you're working with, and the way to do that is to use Nmap, and just a simple discovery will do that. The next thing that's kind of important is the switches. So switches are the options that you use to help you learn exactly what piece by piece what service you're looking for. Nmap can be accessed by typing into the command line. Oh yes, one of the most important ones, Nmap -H help. This gives us a complete dictionary of all of the items and all of the necessary switches that we might need. So, and it goes, you can go through with a fine tooth comb and discover you can use anything from target specification, host discovery, techniques, and scanning. These are very important for different types of man-in-the-middle attacks, sin attacks, Christmas, Xmas scans. Very, very good. And you can find out so many cool techniques and ways to use them. Service detection, I like to use that a lot. Where is it? SV. There we go. Probe open ports to determine service version info. It's very, very good for looking for exploits, and I'll get into that a little bit later. So, as you can see, this website is very good because it gives you these hands-on experience where you can actually run in a simulated environment, which is safe. I'm not actually on the internet. I am in an environment that is designed specifically for cybersecurity enthusiasts like myself who want to learn how to hone their skills, strengthen their skills, and protect others. So this has been my introduction of Nmap, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.